Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another Minecraft video. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can actually use your enchanted books in Minecraft. So, to do so, make sure that you got three things, which is books, enchantment table, and anvils, and some tools to use your books on them. So, let's get ahead and open our single player world and let's try this out. Just to tell you guys, I'm using the creative mode only for tutorial purposes. So if you see anything in my world I'm using with creative mode, it will still work for you on survival mode, because I'm not using any commands and just playing the normal Minecraft that we all using. I'm just having unlimited resources. So let's get ahead and come in here and let's get a book, a normal one, and let's get some lapis, and I'm sorry, something like that, and yeah, something like that will work. So as you can see, now let's enchant our book to something like so, like so, like so, and something like that. I want to upgrade like enough books to see my luck. I'm not even reading what enchanting I get until the end, so let's see how lucky I am. Now let's see how lucky I am. I got a luck of the sea, efficiency 4, protection 3, efficiency 4, which is good. Luck of the sea again, power IV, knockback 2 and breaking 3, which is really good at breaking 3, and pierce 3. So now, how you can really use these enchanted books and how can you make use of them? First of all, you need an anvil, which is pretty easy to get. You just need a couple of iron, and for example, let's get iron and like that, crafting table, and just like so, you can make an anvil by putting 3 blocks at the top and 4 irons like that, and you will be getting an iron anvil by the end. So as you can see, now we have this anvil and we need now tools. So let's get a pickaxe, and bow, I think, and crossbow as well. Let's get something else. We have a lot of stuff. Let's get a sword as well. Sword would be useful. So now I have, for example, a diamond pickaxe. I can't really put not piercing, I mean power 3. Literally I am using the game mode, so that's why I am able to do it, but normally you'll not be able to do it. Survival mode. So for example, if I did this, it won't be possible, as you can see. Now it's correctly. But what you can do is add efficiency 4 to it, for example, or you can add this in breaking 3. So how can you know which enchantment works for your pickaxe? Basically, pickaxe I only use select touch, fortune 3, fortune or the fortune, and then efficiency and unbreaking. All these enchantment that goes for pickaxe. For example, bow, it goes with power, flame, knockback, and unbreaking as well, and so go on. You can check any Wikipedia of Minecraft and you will see them all the information about enchantment in their Wikipedia. So now let's go ahead and open game mode again, so we can have level 30 or higher creative. So now after we go to anvil and we add our, for example, efficiency 4, as you can see, it has been upgraded to efficiency 4. For bow as well, we can do something like unbreaking 3, sword, something like oh, I've used my enchantment on this, so we can just like keep upgrading whatever we want. And yeah, that was this today's tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.